Hello. So now it's going to be my second video. So I'm a bit excited because you guys gonna see what I'm going to do with my channel right now. So today I'm just gonna explain who am I, what I am doing in Italy, like why did I move to Italy after Korea, like what I'm doing here, like as a work, what did I study, and these kind of stuff. I just want to talk about it, like how did I came back, how did I came to Italy. So I'm just gonna help you about this kind of stuff, like maybe in your future plan, maybe you're just planning to come here as a foreigner. I don't know, just gonna help you guys with what I did. So I'm just gonna walk you through with my experience. So maybe you'll just like find a path that I've been through, and then you'll just understand what you need to do. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, so I'm in my home. This is my living room, so it's not a big home, it's just like loft, but I really love it. I'm in Milan, and actually it's been 6 years that I'm living in Italy, but it's been almost two years that I'm living in Milan. Firstly, when I was in Turkey after Korea, like 6 years ago, I found some like kind of agency, like, you know, educational agency that I found, that I enrolled there, and then I just found a school in Pisa, University Pisa, Pisa University. So I just enrolled there as a humanities, like, you know, like performing art, and we did study there like almost 2 years, but it, like, you know, quarantine has happened, like Corona came out, and then we couldn't go out. It was really devastating. It was really hard time. It was really, and then after that, we just decide with one of my really close friends, we just decide to like came to Milan, and then maybe we'll just find a school in here. And then I came here, and instead of school I found a work. I started working here as an American school as a like kind of assistanting, you know, like I was an assistant of the school, an English assistanting. And then after that, I don't know, maybe I'm just talking too fast right now. Anyway, so after that I decided to finish my school, and I found a school, a kind of academy in Sicily. So I finished my academy in Sicily, and so like I've been there in 2 years. In Italy, it was really nice experience. It was really at the same time hard, but it was really good for my Italian. So now I can literally speak Italian, communicate with my friends, and it was really hard, but it was really educational time for me. And then after that, and I came to Milan, and because I got an offer from a university to as a professor, as a teacher. So I know I look young, but I am old, guys. I mean, you should understand that I am old. Anyway, so if you guys need my doctor's number, just let me know, okay? Comment below. Comment below. Anyway, and then other than that, I feel like I'm talking with my friends right now. They're just like, do you need a coffee? Like, do you want a coffee? I mean, did you like the coffee? Yeah, it was really good. Yeah, this is the new machine. It's really good. It's really good. I feel like that. Anyway, so I wish you to be one of my friends so I can talk so easily, express myself so easily. And I spoke really fast all these years, so that's why it was really fast times, because it was happening in Pisa, and after Corona, after Milan, after Sicily, after Milan again, and it was just like always, yeah, there's a lot of things happening between these years, but like, you know, it's not necessary about this kind of stuff, because it was just like life. Anyway, after that time, I realized that okay, I could do that, and I'm just going to start university in here as a teacher, and then I'm gonna teach styling, you know, styling and also like kind of designer stuff, fashion designer, this kind of like collection and this kind of stuff. And it's gonna be a new experience for me, but I cannot wait to start because it's like, you know, it was the one of the kind of rare experience that I can witness in my life, and it will gonna give me a lot of perspective, a lot of life experience, let's say, and I cannot wait to start. And other than that, in the meantime, while I'm doing that, I decide to do my own brand. It's like kind of fashion events, PR community. It's like it's called the Mel Collective. Just like my name is Meli, and then it just like cut the E is like Mel, the Mel Collective. So I opened a new page on Instagram. So I just repost all the influencers, all the fashion influencer bloggers, or the fashion news, fashion shows, just repost it on my Instagram. So I just make some comments, I just make some questioning. So I am trying to build a kind of community that they can understand my style in the situation, you know what I mean? And I just want you to give these people like, you know, like opportunity to meet in kind of parties, in kind of organization, in kind of like the fashion events that they can make kind of networking. Because for me, it was really hard to make a networking in the fashion industry in Milan, because it was really high standard, and it was really not easy if you don't know anybody. Like it was really hard to connect. Once I did it, you'll just jump into. But like I just want to connect with the world, with the people who love fashion. It's kind of my passion, like actually, because it's just like I love talk about fashion. I love to do fashion as a work. I love to watch, like read everything about fashion, and it makes me like so honored about it. It's a new page, but I know it will grow soon. And other than that, I decided to do a YouTube again, like I told you before. And I was just like, okay, I just want to reconnect to world, or the people that really wondering what's going on in my life, or my oldest followers from Korea maybe wondering what I'm doing it. So I just want to give you courage that you can do it too. You know, I came from Turkey, and it was really hard to came along in here to reach that point. Maybe I am running, I am still walking to my point, but still, you know, maybe in your point, maybe in my point, at some point that you want to reach out. So I just want to give you the courage that, I mean, it was a hard, but it's still going on. I'm not sure it's there yet, but I will be. But I'm just saying it, don't give up, because it's like really rare thing that the people do, you know? Like if you're really into that something, doesn't matter who just say some stuff. Like, I mean, everybody talk, even I do talk, you know? I just want you to let you know that like no one is special, and unless you have a plan, unless you have a passion, unless you do things that you want to do in your future, constantly, you should do that non-stoppably, not giving up. And I am 100% you will reach that point, because I am doing it right now. I am literally in the beginning right now, but I am 100% sure that I'll